Hello, good morning. This is Umakant, your life coach. Today I'm just talking about the power of positive thinking. See, this is one of the most important concepts in thinking process, how one can change his thinking process by looking at the things. But I don't know, this society, this nature, and everything is actually trained to look only at the negative aspects of the life. Whatever you look, the first thing you observe from the society and life is that you see only the negative aspects of the life. This is how our mind has been trained to, and even our people has been training us on looking at only at the negative aspects of the life. What is happening is that you are filling yourself with pessimistic ideas. Most of the times when you look at and you want to try a new things, what is happening with ourselves is that we are filling our mindset with pessimistic ideas. The worst, you think the what worst can happen, but nobody will think what best can happen. So this process, this idea of your thinking process has to be changed. No, I'll tell you a small story, which will give you a clear picture about how this optimistic thinking works in life. Optimistic thinking is a very great thing and has to be implemented in everyone's life. It goes like, there was a woman, a sacred woman. She was doing finance and she was going from village to village. And one day she reaches one village which only had 100 houses. Now it was all late in the evening and she wanted to sleep at one place. So what happened is, she requested everybody to each home, and she went there and she requested them to provide her a shelter so that she can sleep for the night. She knocked each and every door and everybody asked her caste, and they told that you do not belong to our caste and at any chance we do not give you a place to sleep today night. So all the people who are there, they closed their door for this woman. Now she was quite young and she was also looking for some kind of a protection, so she kept on requesting people and everybody rejected her proposal. So what happened? At last, finally she could find a place like this, wherein there was a forest and there was a crop field. She went to the crop field and she made some minor arrangements in the crop and putting some boots around, and she slept there. And when night happens, night is actually very dangerous, and when you sleep outside it is very cold in the nights. So at midnight, around 3 p.m. she woke up and she felt very cold, and a lot of air is coming like this, and a lot of cold was coming up from the atmosphere around. And from the cold she saw at the top of the sky, and she found a beautiful moonlight coming up. And she appreciated the beautiful moonlight because she never in her life saw this beautiful moonlight. And apart from the moonlight, when this moonlight was falling on the flowers around the forest, around the crop field, she enjoyed that. And the flowers were blossoming around. So she enjoyed these flowers coming up from the trees. She appreciated it. She was actually rejoiced to see such a kind of scene in the atmosphere. She thanked God. She thanked God that, oh God, you have given me so much great opportunity to see the best of the flowers in the forest. She appreciated Lord that, oh God, I could see the best of the moonlight. I had never seen such a moonlight in my life. On the next morning, she went to the villages and she talked about all these things. She appreciated, she thanked each member of the village and told them, because of you, I am able to see the best of the moonlight. Because of you, I am able to see the best of the flowers blossoming in the midst of the forest. I thank you very much for this opportunity which you have given. If you have given me a shelter in your house, I have never been able to see such kind of vision. I could not have got such kind of a beautiful scene which is coming up. So I thank you with my heart that you have given me a wonderful, wonderful opportunity. So after that, the villagers were surprised, and because of the vision of this woman. So what I'm trying to say here is, when you have this idea, this pessimistic thinking, this is actually a process. This is not that, I train you one day and you can gain this idea. It is actually a completely different shift of process which one has to develop. And there are certain videos, there are certain processes which must be adopted into your life. And we have developed such a technical ways to how to handle yourself so that you can only take the positive things in the life. So I am giving you some sample videos in my link. You can just download the sample video on how to think positively, and you can enroll our course. And I'll give you a lot of opportunities so that you can explore your life and change your entire thinking process from a negative pattern of thinking to a positive, pessimistic pattern of thinking. So I'll just request you guys.